Osmundson is a fifth-generation family-owned company. We make tillage equipment, anything that turns the soil, ground engaging, mostly displays, plowshares.
Osmundson products use a boron-based steel grade exclusively designed for quality, durability, and impact resistance throughout the life of each part.
We get American-made steel coiled to us, and then we will blanket and sharpen it and put it through the heat-treated furnace, and then it's the end product.
We specialize in high-quality agricultural tools for the tillage and planting industries, but our product range is very diverse.
We pride ourselves on innovation. We can do anything at the heat treatment process, and we love working and having partners with all of our customers.
Our innovation has carried our specialized heat-treated parts in the construction, mining, automotive, and government contracted industries as well.
It comes back to the engineering and us really kind of collaborating with either farmers, with testing products for us, or with our customers, saying, okay, these are what you're saying, this is how we can help you. The best thing is that we've always been a family-oriented company. We've always said that that's the heart of our culture, and you can see it day in and day out. And we've been able to keep it that way for 5 generations because everybody is like a family member.
Our steel grade is formulated and calculated to our exact specifications, creating an end product that is superior in strength, wear resistance, impact ductility, and overall unmatched quality.
It really shows to everybody that we are an American made, from the steel that we buy to the end product.